I'm Dion, and today I'm going to tell you about lists. If you haven't seen the first video, look back to it. But today I'm going to tell you about lists. The first thing that I'm going to tell you will be indexing. Indexing is like pointing at a value. If you say nums is 10, 20, 30, and then you point at the 0th, which means the first element, you'll get 10. And if you ask for this first one, you'll get 20. And if you ask for the second, you'll get 30. If you ask for the last one, which -1 means the last one, you'll get 30. Again, for appending, you add it at the last place. So it's like if you add 3, you'll get 1, 2, 3. If you add another 3, you get 1, 2, 3, 3. Inserting is like you put it in the middle or somewhere into a list. It doesn't have to be the end. It could be anywhere. And if you say the list is that, and then you add 9 in the 0th place, it's like the first thing is where, which index, and then the second thing is what. And then you'll get 9, 1, 2, 3, 3. If you add another 4 on the first place, you'll get 9, 4, 1, 2, 3, 3. For popping, you pop the last value. It's like you come, eat that, drop it somewhere. If you say it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you pop, you'll take that 4, hold on to it, put it at the end. So it'll be like 1, 2, 3, and then 4 on the end. If you remove something, it's like just taking it, but not putting it somewhere. It's like take it away to nowhere. It's like holding on to it. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, and then remove the 3. It goes, get the 3, throw it away. And then it will just be 1, 2, 4. If there's 2, 3, it will meet that 3, go away with it. It won't be another one because there's not another one of this thing. There's only one. And it'll just be, the second one will just stay. And indexing is like pointing, appending is adding, inserting is adding, but not at the last place. Popping is taking something out. And putting it somewhere, removing is deleting something. And I guess that's all. Bye. Thank you for watching.